Now we're going to go ahead to our build and we're going to install it on our phone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's see, find out where it is. It's right here, Andromo App Builder. So I'm going to install it onto my device from my email. Okay, so yeah, this we want the second one. Yeah, this one right here. And the way you know it's a new build, just for future reference, is, oh, come on. Okay, that's running slow. But anyway, the way you know it's a new build is your download app button will be blue. If it's a build that you downloaded already from your phone, it'll be gray. Okay, so let's go ahead and download the app. Okay, well, let's try this. Let's open it back up again. And we're going to go to, yep, right there, on that email. Okay, Andromo App Builder. And this is the one, the latest one, I do believe. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to download that. Okay. And actually, I want to see it downloading. So, I'm going to get the message. Do you want to download? Yep. And it's not showing up here. And that's what I don't like about, I don't know if it's this device, but I used to, do all my apps with this device, but for some reason, it's not showing. It used to show the download progress, but it's not. But anyway, I figured it's downloaded already. So I'm going to go ahead to my downloads folder. Okay, let's go to downloads. Okay, I went to my downloads folder and I found the file. So now I am, Okay, let's open it up. I think I made a mistake and changed the name of the project file. I put a D in front of the U in unicorn, but anyway. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and click on something to see if an ad shows up. Not that time. Okay, try it again. Not that time. Okay, but an interstitial video ad should pop up. Let's see. No. Okay, there we go. Okay, I hope that was recording, but yeah, that's a video ad showing, okay? And one thing I forgot to tell you, once you're in your Andromo platform and you're on the build section, when you're on the monetization section, you want to go to the interstitial ad settings and set it for 2 minutes, just so you can test it to see if your AppLovin interstitial ads will show. Okay, just like that video just showed. If you leave it at like 10 minutes, it's going to be a long time before you can see if your video ads are showing. But once you enter that code, once you enter that code from, not your code, but your key from your AppLovin ads, it's in there and they're going to work. Even though it's not showing right now because I have the settings on like 5 minutes in between interstitial ads, they're going to show, okay? So I don't want to wait another 5 minutes before a video ad will show, but just take my word for it, they will show. And actually, I should have showed you how to check to see if it's from AppLovin. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and end this video. But I just want you to know that they are showing, okay, and they will show. So we're going to end the video right here. Okay, now we're back. Now you should have just seen me show my AppLovin ads displayed on my mobile device. Okay, so I just downloaded it from my email on my mobile device and installed it, and I had to tap it a few times actually to get the ad to show, but it eventually showed. Okay, and you've seen that. Now, what I was saying also in that short video on my phone is your interstitial ad settings. Now, when you put your AppLovin in, when you put your AppLovin SDK key in, okay, which is right here, you can use this key for all your other apps, okay? So any other apps that you build henceforth after that, use the same key. As a matter of fact, it's gonna pre-populate every time you build an app, a new app, and you go to your monetization and you click add and you click this. It's going to show up anyway. Or if it doesn't show up, it'll do something like this. Let me see. If you just type in the first, probably like, well, it's not doing it now. But anyway, that key will show up. As a matter of fact, and if you like, let's take that back out. If you like tap the box there, it'll show up already right underneath this red line. Okay, it'll show up like that. But other words, you know, remember, you know, always paste all your keys and everything on your description template also. Okay, just like I showed you with AdMob and Amazon, put that somewhere on your description template under ad networks or something. Okay, but let's put that back. Okay, and let's see, make sure it's in there. Okay, yeah, it's in there. Okay, now the other thing that I was mentioning for your interstitial ad settings. Okay, you might want to put that on 2 minutes just to test this to see if a video ad will show. Because a lot of times if you leave it at the default of 10 minutes, it'll be another 10 minutes for another video ad will show. And you know, you're just doing testing at this stage, so you have to wait another 10 minutes just to see if the ad is show. But it's guaranteed that once you put that key in, once you put the key in, your ads are going to show. So I'll leave it up to you whether you want to test it or not. Okay. Now, one other thing, I showed you how to download the APK file from your email on your phone. But remember, I was telling you that you want to like put a name or a label on each of your APK bills, so you know which one, so you know where you're at, so you don't upload inadvertently upload an APK file to your account, your Google AdMob, your Google Play account or somewhere, and it's not the right one. So I'm going to show you real quick how to label your bills, so to speak. Okay, so let's go to build. Let's go back to save changes. Okay, and I already built the app. But anyway, what you want to do is when it's ready to download, like it is right here, okay, click your download, and you're going to download to your computer. And this is also another way to implement your APK file onto your phone, okay? And I'll show you that real quick. But anyway, download the app. And oh, I forgot I'm using Firefox, but I'm going to save it, and let's see if it'll let me save it. Well, wait a minute. Let's try it again. Okay, save. Okay, that should be all right. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's try that. Save file. See, that OK button should be showing up. All right, let's try this. Okay, let's see. Let's try it on Google Chrome. Now let's download our app. Okay, and it's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'm going to put it on unicorn wallpapers. We're going to go to bills, right? Now, watch this. This is going to be a test. Let's see, AppLovin. AppLovin unicorn, something like that. Whatever you want to name it. Unicorn wallpapers. Okay? This is just to test your AppLovin. So you know that this APK build is just going to be used to test AppLovin. Okay? So at that point, what you're going to do is put your phone cable, connect it from your computer to your phone. Okay, come on. Okay, and there it is right there. But just connect your phone cable to your computer, from your computer to your phone. Okay. Okay, I just did it. And basically, just transfer that file to your phone folder. You can put it in the root if you want. Okay, so just open it up. And I'm going to transfer it to my root folder somewhere. Okay, and it should be right there. Okay, I don't know if it went through or not, but anyway, that's how you do it. Okay, and it'll be on your phone as test AppLovin unicorn wallpapers. Okay. Now remember, if you continue to download them from your email when you're on your phone, if you continue to download the APKs from your email on your phone, you're gonna have a lot of APK files on here. So remember to delete them as you get them. Okay. If you're not using them anymore, make sure you delete them. Okay. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video right there, and I have just showed you the entire process of adding AppLovin ads to your Andromo app. Okay. So with that being said, like I said, it's Christopher Wilson, the mobile app mogul, and if you like what you see, remember to subscribe and also hit the bell notification to be notified of the next trainings coming up. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.